Introduce.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Sir, myself Kalyani Chauhan. I am from Nagpur. I have total 7 years work experience in banking. In that 2 years, I have served with ICICI Bank as a sales officer. Then I moved to Axis Bank. I have joined Axis in 2016, and my role was customer service officer at that time. I have joined as an assistant manager. Then I moved to my second assignment, like 2000 in 2017, I have joined cluster office, Axis Bank cluster office as a cluster support and MS coordinator. And I have completed my graduation in commerce. And I have completed my graduation in commerce. I am from a rural background actually. I have completed all my education in a village, and I have an IRDA and an ISM certificate in my bank. And that's
Okay.
Okay.
Rati sir, your question to Kalyani.
Good evening, Kalyani ji.
good evening, sir.
You mentioned that you have experience in many banks like HDFC, Axis, and ICICI Bank as a customer service. Okay. And also you have
Yes,
mentioned
sir.
that your back you have done BCom in BCom.
Yes, sir. BCom.
Okay. Then you must heard about balance sheet
Yes, sir.
and profit loss statement, trading account. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the 3 rules of ledger?
Debit the creditor, credit the receiver, debit
Okay.
all
Mhm.
yes, debit all income.
First of all, please pardon
Gold.
what?
Debit all the
Okay. Please.
actually, so it is almost 8 years. I have completed my graduation in
Okay,
2000.
okay, okay.
So,
Okay, leave it. No issue. Have you heard about balance sheet? The balance sheet is comfortable?
yes,
Okay. Fixed asset. Have you heard about fixed assets?
so I have heard about fixed asset. Uh,
Fixed
Fixed
asset. You
asset.
have not
I'm
heard
not
about fixed
getting it.
asset. Okay. You heard
Yes,
about current asset.
current asset, current liabilities, fixed asset.
Okay. Just give the examples of in current asset, which items will be taken balance sheet.
Okay, Kalyani, give me the answer of one question. Your branch premises having locker facility,
Yes, sir.
right? Uh, Customer is holding locker facility, so he is well known as lessee. Customer expired customer expired, and you got the information through newspaper that so and so customer, your very good and loyal customer was expired. Uh, his wife came to access the locker, and you already was knowing that the customer the locker holder was expired. You gone through the paper locker holder paper and you found that there is no nominee. What will you do?
So, firstly, I'll check with the documents. Either locker operation is jointly or alone by the customer. If it is alone, I'll politely deny the customer because they have not given any nomination for that. And I'll ask her to provide his death certificate along with the relationship documents like marriage certificate and all. Because for a local operation, she has to go with the legal documents. Because as we have not received any nomination facility, just because I know the customer's wife or just because of good faith, I cannot let her access the locker.
See, she is submitting you the death certificate along with marriage certificate. Will you be
But she has to, no, sir. She has to go with legal proceeds. like what our bank said, we have to go through legal procedures for locker operation, as she is not a nominee of that locker facility.
Okay, there was one robbery in your bank and 3 locker has been robbed by the robber. The customer came to you and they are shouting that there was an asset of rupees 2 crore was lying in the locker. How is you are going to move further?
So first of all, if the robbery occurred in bank, it is the major issue, and the customer will get all information through newspaper and all. So she cannot shout at me actually, because she will go to the bank's at cabin and she'll ask
How
about.
you will verify that the asset which was lying inside the locker was having the amount of 2 crore, 5 crore, and 10 crore? How
So
you will be verifying this?
she has to submit the proof of that. Means she has to prove that she is actually having that much property with her.
Suppose I have one gold biscuit worth rupees 50 lakh. Do you think that I should keep the paper of gold purchase or whatever I received from my ancestor, from my father-in-law, from my grandparents? What type of document you will be asking from me? I have one gold biscuit, rupees 50 lakh. So what document I will be producing you?
Sorry, sir. This situation I have not faced. Actually, I have not handled locker
Okay,
in
no,
my bank.
no issue. Please, Rati sir, please.
Madam, presently, in which segment you are working?
So presently, I'm working in cluster office as an MIS coordinator. I'm handling means I'm actually coordinating between cluster and 15 branches.
Okay.
Yes.
Then you must prepare data.
Yes, sir. I have prepared data, MIS, PPT, sometimes EDM.
Okay. Then what is data mining?
Data mining. Data mining is to get relevant data from the part of Excel, like part of sources.
That is data mining.
Yes.
Okay. Data mining. Data. Have you heard about data relay?
So actually, I have not done any proper courses related to MIS and all. Just because my Excel was good and in good faith, my boss gave me this opportunity to work with data management and MIS coordinator.
Can you do VLOOKUP?
Yes, I do will.
Suppose that 2 Excel sheets are there.
Hmm.
Okay. In which I want to take the data of column B, which
Column
should
B.
be compared which should be compared with the another Excel sheet with the data D.
Okay.
Then what command will you write?
Sir, if in data B section, it is employee ID, and I have to adjust here LI amount in front of employee ID. If LI is written in D column, okay, which is column number 4, and employee ID mentioned on column number 1, then I'll add is equal to VLOOKUP. Then I'll select column B, then comma.
Okay.
Then I'll go to second sheet, select the column number 1 where employee ID has been written. Then comma 4, which column number 4, which is D section is written, LI amount is there, and comma bracket complete, comma 0 bracket complete.
Okay, that is very good answer.
Very good, Kalyani. Kalyani, I think I should conclude your mock. I will be giving you 7.3 marks. Most of the question you were not aware of, but even though I have given you 7.3, do you know the reason? All of you, please listen. Do you know the reason? I have asked you the question related to locker. You were not aware of. Many questions asked by Rati sir, you were not aware of. Even though I have given you 7.3 marks, it's more than the benchmark. Rarely I used to give this marks. Whenever I feel that my candidate is very much comfortable with giving the answer, whatever the question is asked by the interviewer, then only I cross my benchmark limit. Do you know why I have given you 7.3 marks?
Sir, it is because of my positive. I know that I don't know the question, I don't know the answer, but my point of view is if I can apply my mind to give a relevant answer to this, like
Only
positive
only
attitude.
because only because of your basic effort and very good presentable answer and your laughing face. Miss, if you are not aware of my question, there is no tension, there is no type of any type of you can say hesitations I have seen in you. This is very good sign in a positive candidate. This you must keep your temperament in your final round also. I don't think that you will be not be selected. Right, you will be definitely selected. Right, Rati sir, please give her the feedback and your marks. Don't compare your
Already
marks
Kunal,
with me because
already Kunal has given 7.3 marks, but at the starting those session, I have seen a smile on her face, without any hesitation, without any obstacle. You have answered all the questions, but the best thing is that you have secure every time the banking. You have not thinking, you are not telling that the bank will be get their points losing at the moment of customer facing. That is a very good approach as a banker in a banking system. Okay. At this point, I will give you 7 marks. Okay. Okay. All the best.
great.
Thank you.
Kalyani, thank you. We are meeting tomorrow also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.